Hello from Gemini IT, today's technology management professional serving businesses in Oklahoma, Arkansas, North Texas, Louisiana, Southwest Missouri, and Southern Kansas. We'd love to visit with you regarding your technology needs. This is our toll-free number at 888-406-4940. You can, of course, visit our website at GeminiIT918.com. We'd love to hear from you and go to work for your business. Today, we're going to be taking a look at OctoPOS. These folks are based in Arizona, and when Gemini IT went looking for a retail point of sale system, we spent a lot of time evaluating what was out there. We wanted a product that was reliable, that the manufacturer provided great support from a tier 1 level, that also enabled us, Gemini IT, to provide you, the retailer, whether you're a grocery store, smoke shop, deli, convenience store, liquor store, any of those types of concepts that demand a great retail system. We needed to be able to provide tier 2 level support when they couldn't, OctoPOS can't fix something remotely or provide the support you need remotely. We need to be able to get in there and take care of things, and also come on site for those emergency situations. And OctoPOS delivered. I want to take a few minutes to make sure that you guys know that this is not some internet point of sale system as far as Gemini IT is concerned. You ain't go out and buy anything you want off of the internet, but to do something sight unseen, to me, just isn't a good business decision. You need someone who's going to come to your site, visit with you, make sure that you understand what data networking is in place. We have, 25 years of managing data networks, phone systems, those types of things here at Gemini IT. And we know what is necessary. We will make sure you have internet failover in place so that not if, but when the internet dies, your system keeps running. Those are the types of skills that you're only going to get by visiting with somebody who has true technology management expertise. We're not just a credit card vendor. We do copiers, phone systems. We've been doing point of sale systems since 1978. And we know what it takes to make something work, and we'll hope that you'll appreciate the value that Gemini IT staff brings to the table. And that's what we're here for. We're here to make sure that we've got the right equipment in place, whether it's a traditional handheld scanner or a flatbed scanner. We can embed scales into the system, the proper payment devices, proper printers, a kitchen printer in case you need a prep line for certain items that need to be prepped in the back line, a great customer display. I'm just going to wheel around here real quick and show you the customer display. This is one of the stand setups that we have set up, but just a great customer display that allows your guests to see exactly what's being rung up. For example, I scanned a couple of boxes of Pop-Tarts, but let's say they say, oh, I only meant to get one. Well, okay, great. We can edit that super easy right here on the screen. The scanner works really well. I like these handheld scanners. This is a detachable scanner. It can come off of the cradle, so you can scan things like firewood or large bags of charcoal or ice pellets or whatever it may be. But we're going to use it scans cigars really well. So there's a prompt for age verification. We can say this person was born in 1984, June 1st, and submit. Great. So now we can approve it. It's done. Notice we're tracking EBT items here. So if you do take EBT, you don't have to separate those items. The other thing that we do, well, let me just go ahead and scan a couple of items, different types of barcodes here. Here's a bottle of beer. Here's an icy. We can do promotions. I've got, for example, this is I buy 4 of these for $5. The system will track however many. So as I'm running those down through there, notice the price. If I can do both things at once here. So now we change the price to $5 because that mix and match is built into the system. We track alternate barcodes so that For example, I remember years ago at a liquor store that we were doing, Jack Daniels changed the barcode on their 750 milliliter bottle 3 times in a year. So you could have the same product on the shelf with multiple barcodes. We can accommodate alternate barcodes here. We do what we call price embedded barcodes with OctoPOS. For example, if we look at this barcode, the weight is 2.21 pounds. That's the price per pound. The total price is $12.11. If I look at that barcode, and it probably isn't focusing as well as it should, but the price is embedded in that barcode. So this hamburger was packaged in the back, set on a shelf in a freezer or in a refrigerator. The guest brings it up, ready to check out. When I scan, it brings up the price automatically. So OctoPOS has price embedded barcodes. That's very important for folks for obvious reasons. So as we go through this, this is real quick. Let's say we run a deli, and I want to get 4 of those barbecue wings over there, and I want to get a hot dog with chili, and I would like a small cup of coffee. Well, you can go to the categories here. I can go to my deli coffee shop and find every item that's in that category. Now, there aren't too many items here, but why shouldn't I have to do that for my quick service selling items? I can put special items up here that I sell a lot of. And we sell a lot of wings, we sell a lot of hot dogs, we sell a lot of fountain drinks kind of thing. So I'm going to get this barbecue wings. Notice we can put images on the screen, and it can prompt for quantity. These are sold by quantity. I want 4 of those. So great. There's 4 wings at the price there. I want a hot dog, and I want to add chili, and I want to add mustard, and I want to add onions to it. We can do the upcharges for the various items there. If I need to do special instructions, I can key that in, and it would print out to a prep area if that's necessary. But there's the hot dog with the upcharges there, and I want a 32-ounce fountain drink. Give me a medium coffee to go as well, and I want 2% milk and sweetener in it. So almost a quick service style right there in your grocery store, quick service, retail environment, convenience store, again, grocery items as well, maybe a propane tank refill, those types of things. So great functionality at the front end. Let's say I'm a liquor store and somebody brings up a 5th of Duke's bourbon, and for whatever reason the barcode is obliviated on the back. Well, I can go up here to the search and type in what I'm looking for. There's Duke Small Batch Bourbon. There we go. Just found it. Or maybe I've got a DiGiorno's pizza. I want that meat pizza that they have there. There's the 3 meat pizza. I can type in the description of the item. It'll go find it and ring it up. So I'm ready to check out. Of course, I can apply coupons. If I'm doing EBT, I just hit EBT, and it would take those particular items, and you pay for that, and then the rest of it in cash. Credit cards are function really well. So again, just typical tendering, whatever it may be. But I'm going to hit credit card. It'll prompt my payment device down here, and I can tap with my card. Payment is processing. Yay! There we go. And this is a dummy credit card account that I have for our demo system here, so it takes a couple of seconds for it to go through because it's not really hitting a bank or anything. But payments are fully integrated into OctoPOS, and this is a great retail system. We would love to visit with you here at Gemini IT and go through what the right configuration is for your organization. Again, we will consult with you. We will design the system for you. We will, whether you choose straight purchase and pay just the monthly license fees, or you want to do everything monthly, from hardware to service to support, we have all that built in. We've been doing this a very, very long time. We have an 18-year reputation here in Oklahoma and Arkansas for doing things right. And we're going to continue to build on that. And we hope that you would give us the chance here at Gemini IT to serve your retail establishment. Have a great day.